Okay, ma'am. Why are you in this field?
Company secretarieship is a very challenging field because company secretary is the compliance officer of the company, and as you know that in this age, and in fact from the very beginning, running of a corporation is implies maintaining a lot of rules and regulations by the company. And generally people who are into business, they are not aware of many rules and regulations that they have to comply. Sometimes it is not possible for them to, take care of everything. So there has to be somebody who is entrusted with the responsibility of maintaining the compliance with laws. So company secretary is that position. And I find it more challenging, and I have been always interested in the legal side, and this one specifically is in the corporate structure, so it attracted me.
What type of course one can do for this field?
For being a company secretary, a person has to pass company secretaryship course, which is organized by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, based in New Delhi. It has about 4 regional councils. In eastern region it's in Kolkata, then north in Delhi, west Mumbai, and south Chennai. And then 67 chapters spread across India, one overseas chapter also in Dubai. So one has to enroll after maybe after high secondary or even after graduation, and they have to pass foundation, then executive, then professional, and then undergo a training of 15 months under a particular practicing company secretary or a company in the secretarial department. And then there are from time to time there are 15 days training, like 4 days training, 2 days, 3 days training, which they have to comply to in order to get the certificate.
Those who want to be in this field, what are the obstacles, what are the interesting things you have faced?
Okay, as a student, the students who have joined company secretaryship, for them this is a very challenging line, both in respect of the job they are doing, because it is compliance which is very hard to maintain, and for students this course is said to be a difficult course. The students have to be very, very patient and they have to study a lot and then only pass it. And passing the course is not very difficult. At the same time, if you're not taking it seriously, it may be very difficult. It may take a long time, maybe 5, 6, 7 years also. And the other obstacles, if once you become a member, the obstacle that comes is essentially in the form of, it's not an obstacle, I would rather say it's a challenge, because law is changing every day. Today there is a particular law, and tomorrow that particular law may change. So you have to continuously keep updating your knowledge. You have to learn, unlearn, relearn, and then forget what you knew yesterday, know what is the fact today. So this is a continuous upgrading of oneself, which is a challenging thing. It's not an obstacle, but those who are willing to do it have to come to the profession.
Being a woman, what do you want to say? I mean, what kind of problem they have to face?
No, in company secretaryship course, actually, I would say that there is a trend of more women being in the course, because this essentially is a office job. There is no field job thing in company secretaryship. So it's not that women are shy to join the course. It's not that. In fact, we feel that at least in eastern region, I would say it's not based on any statistics, but based on what we see, 60% are women, maybe even more. Because it's a study from home, and then you don't and office hours ideally is not very long, so it's okay, it's a good choice for women.
Yeah, interesting job.
Yeah.
Yes. How many CS are in India? And
in India, roughly some 41,000 at the moment, and yes, and out of that, I think.
And how many in Eastern India and in Bengal?
Some in Eastern, 10% of that, maximum 10% is in Eastern region, which may be, 4,000 only. Actually, I think this has some relation with the industrial, development in the region, because there are not many industries, and ideally the company secretary's job is related to the industrial development of a place. If you have more big corporations, then you require more company secretaries. So it may happen that students pass from here and they go out to rest of India to do job. Some stay here, depending upon the requirement here. So that way, Eastern region has lagged behind a little bit, but we are hopeful that in the coming days this is going to with Make in India and more ease of doing business and all that, and MSME sector developing and all that. So more businesses can come, and company secretaries job will be more required by more people, and then options will increase.
The growth of MSME will be benefited for us. How does CSR relating with this?
Yeah, okay, that's what I said. Basically, see, MSME, the appointment of a company secretary, the mandatory appointment of a company secretary requires a threshold, paid up capital above a certain limit, which is a huge one, which is not, for every company. You don't need a company secretary for every company. So the micro, small and medium companies, they may not have that threshold limit of paid up capital in order to require a company secretary, to appoint a company secretary. But then, this is the mandatory part. A company, there are companies who are appointing company secretary for their ease of doing business, even though they are not mandatorily required to. Okay, so in the same way, when MSME sector improves and there are more businessmen, more new entrepreneurs, they will definitely, new opportunity, and they will definitely need, because the compliance today after the Companies Act 2013, it's very stringent, and companies cannot afford to violate the provisions, and it's only the company secretary who will tell them, why and how not to violate and keep them safe.
Job opportunity in this field?
Job opportunity, as I said, is huge. Depends upon, roughly, some lakhs of companies in India require company secretaries, but company secretaries, as I said earlier, it's about 41,000 members only at the moment. So if a few lakhs of people are required, some 3-4 lakhs, even maybe more, companies require company secretary. Bigger companies have secretarial department, So they need, in their secretarial department, they need at least 3 to 4 company secretaries. So that way, job opportunities is huge, and it is increasing day by day, because law is becoming stricter. Law is not becoming lenient day by day, it is becoming stricter. So there is a lot of job opportunities.
Being a Bengali woman, what do you think? Because Bengali women are, actually we are saying Bengal, বাঙালিরা ব্যবসা করতে চায় না, কি ব্যবসা ওরিয়েন্টেড বিষয়ের মধ্যে যেতে চায় না. What do you think about?
See, there are two sides to it. One is being a Bengali woman. If I am into job, it is a job for me. And Bengalis are very much for job. So job-wise, it is okay. You might say that being a Bengali, if I am risk averse, risk averse in the sense I don't want to take risk. Typically what Bengalis are known for is that they are not into business because they don't like taking risk. So I think what you mean to say that Bengalis are risk averse, so this is a risky job because it's compliance related, so why Bengalis would come into it. So this is not a risky thing, this is once again I would say this is challenging thing, and Bengalis are known to be very intellectual and intelligent, so they should definitely come. There are less Bengalis coming forward in this line. People prefer public services, teaching and all those, but this is a very rewarding profession for Bengalis, definitely, because I being a Bengali, I have felt it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.